Have you ever wondered if you could use your drink package that you purchased on a Princess cruise ship on their private island, Princess Cay?
Let's go up here to Sands Bar and find out.
I ordered a pina colada. It was amazing, and I paid for it with my medallion.
How about that? Well, yeah, it's great live music here at Princess Cay. And look at this list of drinks and cocktails you've got to choose from.
There's no need to worry about purchasing your beverages on Princess Cay. You'll simply use your medallion.
If you have the Princess drink package, it works here on Princess Cay as well.
So we were going to go bar hopping on Princess Cay, but there's only one bar open.
I made it easy.
I made it easy. We got one drink. So Princess Cay has been a great day. And so if you've never been to Princess Cay, you're going to love the island. It is fantastic. And we also have a video on the full walkthrough of Princess Cay.
That's right. Thanks for joining us at Princess Cay and using your Princess drink package on Princess Cay with us.
If you've enjoyed this video in any way, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you as part of the Sea Lake Journey crew. And until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.